Real estate investment strategies. Welcome back to 101. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate investment strategies. We'll give you a quick overview of some key strategies to help you make the most out of your real estate investments. Let's get started. 1. Long-term versus short-term. First things first, decide whether you're in it for the long haul or looking for short-term gains. Long-term investments often involve rental properties, while short-term strategies may include flipping houses. 2. Location is key. Location, location, location. It's not just a saying, it's a golden rule of real estate. Research and choose properties in areas with growth potential and strong demand. 3. Rental income. Rental income is a steady cash flow. Consider investing in residential or commercial properties that can generate consistent rental income to cover expenses and provide profit. 4. Fix and flip. If you're into a bit of adventure, consider the fix and flip strategy. Buy distressed properties, renovate them, and sell at a profit. But beware, it can be a risky endeavor. 5. Real estate crowdfunding. For a more hands-off approach, look into real estate crowdfunding platforms. You can invest in properties alongside others, spreading the risk and capital requirement. 6. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are like stocks for real estate. You can invest in them through the stock market. They offer a way to invest in real estate without owning and managing properties directly. 7. Leverage smartly. Leverage your investments smartly by using mortgages and loans. But make sure you understand the risks involved and have a solid repayment plan.
There you have it, a whirlwind tour of real estate investment strategies. Remember, each strategy has its pros and cons, so it's essential to align your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to 101 for more real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!